Question hook: ever wondered how to easily send your hard-earned cash to your Relay account? It's simpler than you might think. In this video, we'll guide you through the process, step by step. Context: Relay is a popular platform that offers a variety of financial services, including the ability to send and receive money. Whether you're using Relay for personal or business purposes, understanding how to transfer funds is essential. Body: understanding your options. Direct bank transfer. Explain how to initiate a direct bank transfer from your personal or business account to your Relay account. Provide instructions for different banking platforms, e.g., online banking, mobile app, in-branch. Discuss potential fees and processing times. Card payments. Describe the process of using a credit or debit card to add funds to your Relay account. Highlight any card network restrictions or fees. Third-party payment services. Discuss the use of popular third-party payment services, e.g., PayPal, Venmo, to transfer funds to Relay. Explain how to connect these services to your Relay account. Step-by-step guide. Logging into your Relay account. Demonstrate the process of logging into your Relay account using your credentials. Navigating to the deposit or transfer section. Show how to locate the section where you can add funds to your account. Selecting your preferred method. Guide viewers through the process of choosing their desired transfer method. Entering payment information. Explain how to input the necessary details for your chosen method, e.g., bank account information, card details. Confirming the transfer. Show how to review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. Troubleshooting common issues. Failed transfers. Discuss potential reasons for failed transfers and provide troubleshooting tips. Delayed transfers. Explain factors that can affect transfer processing times and offer solutions. Account verification. Address situations where account verification is required before transfers can be processed. Security and best practices. Protecting your account. Emphasize the importance of safeguarding your Relay account information. Provide tips for creating strong passwords and avoiding phishing scams. Choosing a secure transfer method. Discuss the relative security of different transfer methods. Monitoring your account. Advise viewers to regularly review their account activity for any suspicious transactions. Conclusion. Recap. Briefly summarize the key points covered in the video. Reinforce the ease of transferring money to a Relay account. Call to action. Encourage viewers to try the process themselves. Suggest additional resources for further information. Closing. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching. Now you're equipped to effortlessly transfer funds to your Relay account. Until next time, happy transferring.